Hi everybody, it's presently Thursday morning, Thursday July 28th, 2011 at 1:30 a.m. This is a chart of the S&P 500 6-month uh, as of Wednesday's closed. We closed right on 1304.89. Right, that's the close. We mentioned in well, it's a video quite a while back now that the 1303 level. This was back at this area when it was mentioned. The 1303 level is pretty important, and we actually closed just above it. We mentioned back then to look for wicks. We ended up getting one, and the market took off again. I'm going to say the same thing, but it's hard to say we're going to get a bounce here after a day like this. I'm not going to go short though. I am still looking for longs. What you need to realize is we did close on this here descending channel. We call it a trend line. It's not really a channel. It is, but anyways, call it a descending trend line. When we broke above it, we came back, tested it, and bounced off it. Now we're testing it again. It's hard to believe that we're going to bounce back up. What I'd like to see for Thursday is possibly some more selling and a close back up here above the 1303 level, forming a hammer and a bottoming candle. That would be great for me to see. But if we get below the 1303 level, I do believe the 200 EMA will be tested. I don't like saying that, but that's what the charts tell me. I am still looking for longs, but like I said, we broke through the 1330 level, and once that happened, once we broke the Thursday's low, which was an inside day for Friday, I was hoping we would break above it, but we didn't. Obviously, we broke below it, and once that happened, we really picked things up. Like the pressure was really on. We broke through the 20, broke through the 50, broke through 1310, 1320, 1330. It was a big down day today. And even if we were to get a hammer, here's an example, another long down day, a strong down day. We got what could be a bottoming candle. This is a bottoming candle, but we did not get any follow through. It still continued to go down. But there is still a good chance that we do go down, even if that hammer were to play out. Like I said, though, I'm not giving up here yet. Not yet. The chart's very bearish, but I am going to continue to look for longs and sit on the side if I have to, like I have today. Or Wednesday. I did not do any trades Wednesday. I was sitting, watching it, walked away, spent some time with the kids and whatever else. It was a bad day. It was a bearish day. On an intraday chart, 1 hour chart for the ES, you can see we broke through everything. And actually, this long-term trend line that we've been trading, we broke through it and are trading just below it. And if you look, this is as of the close and the after hours. It's very tight, very tight trading, and this pattern we call it a flag. It looks like we're going down. There is strong support at 1292.50 and 1284.75 level. The stronger support's at 1292.50. I do expect that to be tagged at this point. To go long, I would need the right pattern intraday. Starting to see it on an hourly, map it out on a 15-minute, look at it again on a 5-minute, and then trade it off of a 1-minute chart. What you can say here, though, is the harder it falls, right, the bigger the bounce. This is a bearish chart, very bearish. It's not pretty in any way for the bulls. The strong support was here. That's the strongest support we got. We didn't crush it. We're trading just under it, but it does look like another leg down here might be in order. I'm not looking for a short. If you are, watch the 20 and the 50 EMA on the hourly. Wait for the right setup again to go short, either way, long or short. But yeah, watch for these to be tested. They should be tested regardless eventually, but it's like here, once it hits it, it bounces down. Once it hits it, it should bounce it back down, push it back down. We'll see how things play out. Here's a different chart. On this one, this is a daily chart of the ES, the futures. The head and shoulders formation here is still intact, but barely. And on here, I would be looking for a test of the 200 at approximately 1285, and then a break back above. Like I said before on the previous chart, there's still, even if we were to get that push down and then a close with a nice little head forming a hammer, there's still a chance that we could continue down here. If we did break the 200, especially in a close, that this head and shoulders is void. It's no longer in play. You could consider this a cup, and it's a pretty big handle, but I'm looking for anything to be bullish here is what I'm doing. But the head and shoulders formation, inverted head and shoulders, is your head, there's your shoulder, there's your right shoulder. It is still in play, and on the daily ES, we are still above this descending trend line. Yeah, I'm going to go back to this chart of the S&P. Going into tomorrow, that's what I do expect to push down. If you're looking for a short off the S&P, this chart, 1320, would be a low risk entry. Take profits though. I don't know. The market's trading on news. This is fear. It's like back here is fear. Whatever's going on, I don't watch the news like I said previously. Whatever's going on, it's strong, and people are scared. There's a lot of volume. The volume isn't huge today. I'd call this the reversal. The day after, it was stronger. The up move, the volume was higher than than today's. Tomorrow's going to be an interesting day. I'll be sitting on the sidelines unless I see something clearly point out, or we tag that I'm buying it here. I'm in. They're telling you that right now. I will be long here. Yeah, it seems to be news driven. When things are like that, you have to kind of sit aside. You need to be patient, especially if you're long. I don't like to short, that's why I don't do it too much. But you need to be patient. You can't trade every single thing you see all the time, or you're going to lose your shirt. Wait for the right setups. Be patient. Wait for it to start to show support. Yeah, build up a bottom and get in, and you need to be patient here, guys. Anyways, that's it. That's my thought on what's happening here. So far, so good. The channel's still holding out. We came down and tested it pretty quick, but that doesn't mean we can't get it all back tomorrow. Anyways, like I said, anything in a in the past, if you're in the green, play with stops. Do not let a winning trade go red. Cautious trading here, though. The more I look at this, I'd like to see this go up, but it's hard to say that that's what's going to do, what it's going to do. Anyways, that's what life of a trader. Be patient. Don't take everything you see. Don't overtrade. I'm not a point or two guy. I like 10 points or more. So for now, I'll be on the sidelines unless I see something, and I'll try and point it out to you. All right, that's it. Good luck, guys.